Hello friends, we are using pen without losing any warranty or any this Swiss Army knife tool in this
without
jet setter
using
Swiss Army
any
knife small knife. We use the electric tape and one single refill for the and wrap it on the knife. Then we wrap it also up refill with electrical tape, and now we are assemble our Swiss Army knife pen. Now you can use for writing. It is a single layer Swiss Army knife. That's why it is comfortable for writing. We are using, and this is cheap and usable for everyday use, and we can use for kitchen because it is TSA safe and